Another contribution from Frankel is that he's able to make us realize that in this world, not only what you believe, but your worldview, your assumptions, your worldview is important. Most of the people in his time and in our time, most of the people are busy making money, right? Success. Success is everything. Success, happiness. But Frankel says that if life is about success and happiness, then we will have many people become more depressed and more unhappy. You know why? Because only a few people get to the top, right? I mean, many people compete for a job, the top job, only a few succeed. And baby boomers very soon realize that their ambition to come to the top, it cannot be fulfilled. You know, baby boomers now 65, 66 now, getting old now. They'll realize that path to success is doomed. It doomed them to misery because they cannot achieve it. So he's saying that the best way you live your life is forget about success and talk about meaningful fulfillment. You know why? Every person, regardless how poor you are, regardless your ethnicity, regardless your religion, regardless your condition, whether you're sick, you're healthy, everybody can live a meaningful life.
Amen.
Right? It doesn't matter whether you're a recovery addict, whether you're a cancer patient, survivor like I am, always still suffer from cancer. It doesn't matter your condition. You can live a meaningful life until the last breath of your life. That message is much more uplifting, right? It's much more helpful to most people, especially for nursing, right? That even doesn't matter how sick you are, your life can be still meaningful. We'll find out how. Okay? So the basic tenet of lower therapy is freedom of will, will to meaning, and meaning of life. These three are interconnected. Freedom of will, will to meaning, and meaning of life. And I'm telling you why. Okay? These are a basis for helping people to find meaning. Okay?